Treacherous Mob in a time in mind. Lil Flip, aka Rabbit, you know we bout the good shit. You already know, bitch. Could you please close the door, ma'am? No, it's not. Here you go, Lil Flip. She won't even close the door. Treacherous Mob, man. We so bout it, real hits in your head with a real sharp mallet. Oh my God, this rowdy. We stay with the mallet, the AKs, the Uzis. Fuck that shit, we bout it, nigga. Hits in your stomach, you fall out, your guts fall out, your butt just fuck it. Dipset, dear my God, Treacherous Mob got them pies. If you diss us, we'll shoot you in your eyes, leaving your rubber Republicans. Dipset and Santana on my team with the beam. Everybody got a dream, upgrade with the team. My niggas got the beam, the semi-automatic. All my niggas are green, that's our colors, you know. The Treacherous Mob hoes, fuck this shit. Dipset ain't no hoe, Lil Wayne is a hoe, he a bitch nigga though. I never did like Lil Wayne, he been a damn hoe, but I bump his CD though. You know that shit is hard, but a young nigga on the block, I'ma pull his damn car, I'ma make his body fall, his brains falling apart. Bow Wow versus Chris Brown, all them niggas is some hoes, fuck Bow Wow and Chris Brown. I whoop both of them niggas, I'll rob Bow Wow if he come to North Memphis, fuck Chris Brown here. Yeah. Oh shit. See the beat gon' fuck up. I'ma keep on rapping. A young nigga on the block and I'm constantly trapping. Got a big ass stomach, got a big ass gun, got a skin ass knife. Bet you bitch niggas run. I ain't no fucking nigga, I'm a damn done ass son. I hits in your head with a soccer ball gun. That's the biggest bullets I ever seen in my life. A young nigga on the block in the ghetto West life. I got a big ass knife, I cut you just right. Bet your stomach fall out. Treacherous Mob is my life. Dipset nigga.
Is you giving me